Okay, paano naman daw mag-hide ng columns at rows na naka-group? Halimbawa, gusto kong i-hide itong last name at saka country. Gagamit tayo ng shortcut key. Press and hold Alt Shift, then arrow key. At mag-activate na yung hide and unhide toolbar. Hide, unhide. And if you want to remove hide and unhide toolbar, press and hold Alt Shift keys, then arrow left. Next, group natin yung row. Press and hold Alt Shift keys. Arrow right. Hide. Unhide. Remove. Alt Shift keys. Arrow left. Kung ayaw mo namang gumamit ng shortcut, Data tab group yung ating gagamitin. Select. Then go to Data. Then go to Outline dito sa ribbon. Click Group. Click Group. And that will activate the Hide and Unhide toolbar. Okay? Then hide, unhide. If you want to remove the bar, Alt Shift, then arrow left. And that's it. Follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.